Welcome back to the course Scratch Programming for Beginners. Today we'll create a program which will generate Fibonacci series. Let's go to the Fibonacci series. Fibonacci series is a sequence whose current number is the sum of previous two numbers. This is the formula. You can check. If I go to the series here, if you see that this number is coming from the sum of previous two numbers. This 2 is coming from 1 plus 1, that's 2. 3 is coming from 2 plus 1. So the current position of that number is the sum of previous two numbers. Exactly we will do using the programming. So first I know these two numbers I need. So I'll generate that Fibonacci series and putting in the list. So let's go to the variable. So I have variables. I need a list as well. So I'm just clicking on this. That is my list. Okay. So I will populate my list. Yeah. So list currently is empty. And if I take it's a variable, so I'm just renaming that variable. That is var1. I need another two variable, so just make it var2, and another variable is var3. By default variable value is 0. Okay, so if I go to event, click on event, and then I need to set my variable value. Yeah, first two value is one is 0, another is 1. Variable 2 is 1. Okay, so I know that initial 2, and I need to put insert in the list as well. So I'm just adding these two. Okay, so if I put var here and var2 here. Okay, and after that I need to go for the calculation of that, so that initially, so if I execute that, initially 1 and 2 inserted. So better to clean that list initially, so that duplicate record should not be there. So delete list, so otherwise it will be now 0 and 1. Now if I go a control block, let's say I want to generate another 10 numbers here. So the first number will be the uh, sum of two numbers. Okay, so if I go to variable, and if I add it, okay, I need to add variable 1 and variable 2. So let's go to that operation. So if I take this one and variable here, var, taking var1 and taking var2. So if I put that here, then I will get the first number. But the problem is that when it will repeat, the number will be same. If you go to the Fibonacci series, so here once you add it, this, let's say this two, we are getting this, and then you are summing this and you are getting this number. So variable is pointing initially here, so your variable need to be shift here, and var2 need to be shift here. Okay, so what I'm exactly doing here, so now set my variable. Okay, my var1 I need to set to var2. Okay, and var3, what I need to do here, I need to take another variable, set var3. Var3 is the sum of these two. So if I, let's say this one, so whatever the sum I inserted, I'm putting in a third variable. So if I go here, variable 1 and variable 2, sorry, here variable 1 I need to put here, and this has to be done here. So what I'm doing here exactly, so I'm adding these two values. Okay, so that should be assigned to another variable, third variable. Okay, so this is the third variable, that is the my results. So I'm shifting the variable 1 position to variable 2. Similarly, I need to shift variable 2 to that particular results. So what I'm trying to do here I can set variable 2, and I need to set to variable 3, because the variable 3 is holding variable 1 plus variable 2 and is assigning to that. Next time when it comes to the loop, it will add again the variable 1 and variable 2. So I just shift my position of variable. I'm just pointing to variable 2 to variable 1, sorry, variable 1 to variable 2, and variable 2 to variable 3, which is holding the results of variable 1 and variable 2. So if I generate that, you will see that results is 1 2 5 1 1 2 1, and if I submit this 2 is coming that if I add 2 plus 1, this 3, and 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 3 8, 5 plus 3 8, and similarly 8 plus 13 21. So in this way you can generate the Fibonacci series. So we'll create another program which will do bubble sort, and we'll discuss in detail. Stay with me.
This video is a part of video series based on the topic Scratch tutorial for the beginner. If you like this video, then please share, like, and subscribe the channel. Thank you.